G'day guys, it's Cam from Snowies. Today I just want to take you for a bit of a walkthrough and all the equipment that I've used in my shows. So let's go have a look. Okay guys, so here we are, stoves. So obviously you're going to need a stove of some description. As you can see here, we do have a huge range. Now, the ones I do use are gas, charcoal and smokers. We also have wood fire ones as well. Now the most used item I did use on the show was the double wok burner. With this you can put larger pots on there, so if you're cooking for a large family or what have you, it's much easier. Brilliant cooker, self-igniting, really nice and hot. Now the Wildtrak smoker is really good, honestly. It gives a fantastic flavour. I use wood dust, which you can also use wood chips. It gets nice and hot, it sears the food well, but gives it an absolutely brilliant flavour. It is honestly fantastic. Now, one of the other things I did use quite a bit was my Cobb. You can use it as a smoker, as a dry heat, like with the steaks on the grill. Beautiful flavour. It gives that bit of a smoky, charry sort of flavour as well. Really easy to use, and there's so many different things you can get for it. So the torch I use for lighting in general is made by Zippo. All you have to do is just fire that thing up. I use it a lot to use as a brulee torch, which is to brown the top of food. It's refillable and works really well. Okay guys, we're down to cookware. Now, there are so many different things you can obviously use. It depends what you like. I like cast, there's spun steel in the camp ovens, non-stick pans, there's titanium pans. Honestly, we have them all here. It just depends what you like to use. So the camp ovens I use are cast. I do prefer cast as it gives a better heat. It doesn't get hot spots. They work realistically as an oven. It's fantastic, seals in the heat. Main thing with the camp oven, they are versatile. You can cook anything in it, and I mean anything. You can cook pizzas, cakes, roasts, stir fries, anything. When it comes to fry pans and pots, the things I do like to use are the non-stick variety. They're light, but they actually got a heavy base, if that sort of makes sense. So the heat dispersion's really good. You don't get hot spots. They are really easy to clean. You can throw them in the dishwasher if you use them at home, out camping, a bit of a rinse, and it's all done. So when it comes to storage, prepping food, what have you, I like to use the collapsible products. They pack down to nothing. I mean, literally they are so light and so small, but they're really versatile. They pop up really easily. They store quite a lot, really easy to clean, just really easy to use. So when it comes to plates, cutlery, etc., I honestly like stainless best for food prep. It's easier to clean. Probably aesthetically it looks better. You can't chip them, you can't crack them. When you get to the enamel plates, they're great for serving. The enamel are quite good. I just find stainless better. It's even commercially, it's just a better grade, but there is a massively great range, and it all comes down to what you like, to be honest, at the end of the day. All right, all the dry ingredients I carry, I actually like to put into these drawer bags. They're fantastic. They're really nice and hardy. They're Australian made. They've got a clear top lid on it so you can see what's in there at a pinch. You don't have to worry about rummaging through everything. So all the dry goods go in there. All your fresh ingredients I put straight into the 12-volt camping fridge, which I take with me. The vac sealers are fantastic in the way that it will pack the food down to nothing. And also if you want to marinate food or what have you, it speeds it up by about twice to 3 times. Really good idea to have, and really cost efficient. All right guys, that's it for me for now. That's the end of the series. I hope you did enjoy it as much as I did. Don't forget that if you go out and you do go camping, you don't have to be limited to your sausages and your burgers. You can go a bit more gourmet if you want to. Just try what you like. Make sure you've got the right equipment. It doesn't mean you have to spend $1 million. Just get what you need, and then you can build from there. Make sure you come and see us in store, or you can shop online at snowies.com.au. Until then guys, I'll see you next time. Oh, I did it right. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! Butter. It's actually nice. Shit.